intellectual property rights or legal rights which are granted to a person for the creations of the mind or intellect which have commercial value. IPRS covered 8 main mechanisms: patent, copyright, trademark, industrial design, layout design of integrated circuits, geographical indication, registration of plant varieties, trade secrets. Patent. Patent is an exclusive right granted by government to original developer, researcher, creator of an invention which prohibits others from making, selling or using that invention. Patent Act enacted in India 1970. Copyright. Copyrights are set of exclusive right granted by law to creators and producers of forms of creative expressions such as literary, musical and cinematographic works. Copyright Act enacted in India 1957. Came into effect from January 1958. The Act has been amended 1983, 84, 92, 94, 1999. The Copyright Act Amendment 1983 inserted new definitions and sections of an act to take care of broadcasting technology and reprographic technology. World First Copyright Act passed in England 1709. The Copyright Act of 1911, also known as Imperial Act of 1911. Imperial Act. An Act of Parliament of United Kingdom which have received Royal Assent on 15th December 1911. Berne Convention. Berne Convention concerned with copyright. Berne Convention for the protection of literary and artistic works, which was first accepted in Bern, Switzerland in 1886. Universal Copyright Convention was adopted in Geneva 1952. Geneva, Switzerland. 1952. The copyright symbol is given by UCC, Universal Copyright Convention. Rome Convention. Rome Convention held for the protection of performers, producers of phonograms and broadcasting organizations. In Rome 1880, in 1961, Rome. World Intellectual Property Organization Copyright Treaty in 1996, Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland. World Intellectual Property Organization Copyright Treaty and World Intellectual Property Organization Producers and Phonographs Treaty. WPPT and WCT, World Intellectual Property Organization copyright treaties. These treaties are referred as Internet treaties. Trade and Merchandise Mark Act enacted in India 1958. Design Act enacted in India 1911. Layout Design of Integrated Circuits Act enacted in India 2000. Geographical Indications of Good Act enacted in India 1999. Information Technology Act was passed in 2000. Right to Information Act. Information Technology Act passed in 2000. Right to Information Act 2005. Right to Education Act 2009.